Let's take a closer look at an important reality in compensation. Benefits are not just an add-on, they are a significant and growing investment for organizations. In many cases, benefits represent a substantial portion of what organizations spend on their workforce. Understanding these costs is essential for making informed decisions about compensation and total rewards. To put this into perspective, in 1929, employers spent just a few cents, about 3 cents, for every dollar of payroll on benefits. Today, that number has increased dramatically to around 30 cents per payroll dollar. This growth reflects how benefits have expanded in scope and importance over time. In many organizations, especially larger ones, benefits can account for more than 1/3 of total compensation costs. A significant portion of this increase is driven by legally required benefits and rising healthcare costs, which continue to grow faster than inflation. This makes benefits one of the most complex and expensive components of compensation. When you break down the different types of benefits, healthcare, retirement contributions, paid leave, insurance programs, and more, it becomes clear how quickly these costs accumulate. Each benefit may seem manageable on its own, but together they represent a major financial commitment. Because of this, organizations need to be intentional about how they track and evaluate benefit costs. One common approach is the annual cost method, which looks at the total cost of providing a specific benefit over the course of a year. This helps organizations understand the full investment required to maintain each offering. Another useful approach is calculating the cost per employee per year. This is done by dividing the total cost of a benefit by the number of employees who receive it. It provides a more individualized view of how resources are being allocated. For example, if an organization spends $195,000 annually on health insurance for 25 employees, the cost per employee is $7,800 per year. Seeing the cost at this level helps put the organization's investment into perspective. This type of analysis provides valuable insight into how benefits are being used. Organizations can identify which benefits are widely utilized and which may only serve a small portion of employees. This allows for more strategic decision-making and better alignment with employee needs. Even when benefits are not paid out as cash, they still represent a real and significant cost to the organization. Tracking and evaluating these costs is essential, not only for staying within budget, but for designing benefits that are meaningful, effective, and sustainable. When managed well, benefits become a strategic investment, not just an expense.